Hey strong friends, welcome to day 5 of the Zero to Fit series. If you've made it this far, that's something to be proud of. Consistency is where real change happens. Today, we're focusing on a combo of upper body strength and core endurance using just dumbbells. We'll go through 5 simple but powerful moves. Stay focused and you'll feel the results. Warm up. 30 seconds of jogging or jump rope in place, 10 high knees, arm and shoulder circles forward and backward, dynamic side and back stretches. Ready? Let's start the workout. Workout plan, day 5. 1. Dumbbell floor press. 2 sets times 10 reps. Lie flat on the floor or a mat. Hold dumbbells at chest level with palms facing forward. Press them straight up, then lower slowly with control. Target muscles: chest, pectorals, triceps, and front shoulders. Dumbbell chest fly. 2 sets times 10 reps. Still lying on your back, open your arms wide with a slight bend in your elbows. Bring the dumbbells together in an arc above your chest, then return slowly. Target muscles: mid and inner chest, which helps with definition and chest expansion. Forward lunge with dumbbells. 2 sets times 10 reps each leg. Hold dumbbells by your sides. Step forward, bend the front knee to 90 degrees, then push off the heel to return. Alternate legs with each rep. Target muscles: quads, glutes, hamstrings, and core balance. 4. Russian twist with dumbbell. 2 sets times 20 reps, 10 each side. Sit on the floor with knees bent. Hold one dumbbell with both hands. Lean your torso back slightly to engage your core. Twist to the right, bringing the dumbbell beside your hip, then twist to the left. Target muscles: obliques and deep core muscles. Dumbbell pullover. 2 sets times 12 reps. Lie on your back with one dumbbell held in both hands. Bring it back behind your head without touching the ground, then pull it back over your chest. Keep elbows slightly bent. Target muscles: lats, back, chest, and core stabilizers. Cool down. Stretch chest and shoulders, arm across chest or wall press. Stretch quads and hamstrings, standing or seated. Cobra pose for stretching abs and lower back. Deep breathing for recovery and calm. Wrap up. End of day 5. And that's it for day 5. This session worked your upper body and core in a balanced and effective way. Whether you finished the full workout or just part of it, the key is you showed up and moved. Keep going. If you enjoyed this session, like, subscribe, and drop a comment about which exercise challenged you the most or felt the best. See you in day 6 of Zero to Fit. Keep pushing forward. You're doing great.